Let's talk about strings in Python. This is a string. Python strings store text. Strings are often used for displaying text to an end user, but they're also used for asking questions about other bits of text. Here, we're checking whether one string starts with another string. Strings are also used for storing text in a file. Here we're calling the file write method with a string. We can also use strings to send text to other processes or to send text over the network. You can get the number of characters in a string by passing it to the built-in len function. That returns the length of the string. Strings also have methods. String methods can be called by putting a period after a variable name that points to a string and following that with the method name and then parentheses to call that method. Methods can be used to ask questions of strings, like how many times a particular character appears in a string. Or we can use methods to make new strings. Here we're making a string where we've replaced text with a string. Strings can be combined with other strings using string concatenation. Concatenation is basically a fancy term for smooshing together. We use the plus symbol to concatenate strings in Python. We can use either double quotes or single quotes to make strings in Python, but you must have quotes around your string, and your quotes must be consistent. If your string needs to contain a quote character, you could use the other style of quote to make your string. But what if you needed both single and double quotes in the same string? In that case, you could use a backslash before the quote character to escape it. If we print this string out, we'll see that the backslash isn't there. Another common escape character is \n. \n represents a new line character. Strings are probably the most commonly used Python data type. If you have some text-based data, you can represent that data using a string.